Hello, it's Saturday, August 28th, up here at the Knob, looking at some of the progress. Looks like a whole lot wasn't done since we were here 2 weeks ago. Or was it 2 weeks ago? Whatever. But anyway, they're moving along here. Now they're starting on the stairway over here. And when Pete came up here yesterday, was talking to some of the workers, they weren't really sure where they were going to go with this, and so they kind of stopped. And I'm not sure if this is what we're looking at, this is what we want, but I'm not sure why they didn't extend that stair over further this way. So this is all they've done for the front part, the stairs. So come up here, and the deck looks wonderful, of course, what has been done. They said that this would be done by Labor Day. They should have railings up, and this area in the back would be finished. You can see here they've taken off the old planks. They had to put those little cross beams that you see there in order to lay the planks in the same direction as these. So that's new, those cross beams that you see. And they're going to replace everything over to the top of the stairs. And that should be done by Labor Day. Notice the steps are gone and all our stuff is up there. Can't get to it. Back over this way, which we've seen already. This, oh, well, I guess you haven't seen this. This looks very nice. Nice job here. Back deck. And if you swing around, you see the step. It looks like that. There's a small lip. We could actually put some rope lighting under there if we desire. People can see. Not much progress on this side. But we will see John Basie today or tomorrow. He usually pops in Sunday morning. So if you guys have any ideas about the stairs out front, let me know. Here's another shot of those stairs. They took all the lumber out, and they also took the grill. The grill is gone. Of course, I wonder why they didn't take the rest of the junk.